Hello, let's start, my dears. Okay, let's start. Today, inshallah, we will start lesson 89, but we will start with revision on lessons from 86 to 90. Let's revise together comparing fraction. Comparing fraction. We have three types of fractions. If we want to compare, we will need three types. The first type, if we have the same denominator, this will be normal fraction like this. If the denominators are the same, we will compare numerators together. So it's normal. Normal means the big is big and small is small. The bigger fraction will be the biggest and small fraction will be the smallest. So here I have the same denominator. Yes, Yanur, excellent. We have here the same denominator. So which is the bigger numerator? 3. So 3 over 5 will be the bigger. Okay. This is the normal fraction, We have another type, it's called crazy fraction, We have in crazy fraction the same numerators. If we have the same numerators, we will call it crazy fraction. Crazy fraction means, why we call it crazy? Because in crazy fraction, we see that the big is small and small is big, okay? We have here the same numerators. So the smaller denominator will be the bigger one, We have another type. This is extra for you. This is extra as enrichment, okay? This is extra for you. It's not in grade 3, but we should know it as information, as extra information, okay? If we have different numerators and different denominators, okay? Different numerators and different denominators. Some of you asked me to know how to compare this. It's extra for you. If I have different numerators and different denominators, we will compare it by cross multiplication. It's like scissors. If I don't have here the same numerator and I don't have here the same denominator, so it's not normal or crazy. What should I do? I will make cross multiplication. How to make cross multiplication? I have here two equations of multiplication I will do, okay? I will start from the bottom, 3, and go up to 4, okay? So 3 times 4 equals 12. And here, start from the bottom and go up. 5 times 2 equals 10. Which is bigger, 12 or 10? Sure, 12. Okay, and we will neglect it now. We will not practice on it. So please focus with me on normal fraction and the crazy fraction. Normal fraction, we have the same denominator and it's normal. Normal means the bigger is big and the smaller is small, okay? And here in crazy fraction, we have the same numerator. Why we call it crazy? Because we can see that bigger is small and the smaller is big. So it's called crazy. We will practice now on it. Okay? Now, This is our sheet, okay? I will solve some exercise in the sheet, okay? And you can solve the rest by yourself, okay? Here, in question 4 in our sheet, okay? Number 1, 6/7 and 2/7. Which is greater? First. Yeah, Ali, excellent. Okay. Never mind, ya Basant, if you didn't understand the different, never mind. Never mind. Just focus on crazy and normal fraction, okay? Number 1, here, 6/7 and 2/7. Here, is it normal fraction or crazy fraction? It's normal or crazy? It's normal fraction. Great, ya Ali. Excellent. Excellent, ya Taim. Great, ya Noor. It's normal fraction. Normal means the bigger is big and the smaller is small. So, which is bigger, 6 or 2? 6. Yes. 6 is bigger. Saja? Can you hear me, Saja? Okay, make sure that your headphones is connected. Okay. Number two, 1/3 and 1/10. 1/3 and 1/10. This is normal fraction or crazy fraction? Great, ya Jana. Yes. It's crazy fraction. Great, ya Item. Yes. Excellent, ya Hamza. It's a crazy fraction. We have the same numerators here. So the same numerators mean the small is big and the big is small. Excellent, يعني. So 1/3 is bigger. 1/3 is bigger. Number 3, 8/12 and 1/12. Which is bigger? Is it normal fraction or crazy fraction? Crazy. Excellent. Yes. No, it's not crazy. Yeah. It's not crazy. It's normal fraction. It's normal fraction. It's normal fraction. So the 8 is bigger. So 8/12 is bigger than 1/12. Again, if we have the same denominator, it's normal. Okay? So the bigger is big. Number 4, 1/4 and 1/7. Is it normal or crazy? Is it crazy? Yes, we have the same numerators here. So it's crazy. So the small will be the bigger. So 1/4. Crazy. Yes, excellent, ya Adam. Jana, Taim. Great, Saja. Excellent, my dear. Great, ya Hamza. Okay. Here. Number 9, 3/5 and 2/5. Yes, ya Ali, excellent. It's normal fraction. It's normal fraction because we have the same denominator. The same denominator. So the big is big and small is small. So 3/5 is bigger. Great. Number 10, 1/8 and 1/5. Is it crazy or normal? Yes, this is crazy, ya Taim. Excellent. Yeah. Great. Excellent, ya Ali. It's a crazy fraction. So the small is big and big is small. Great. Excellent, ya Loreen. Great. So 1/5 is bigger. 1/3 or 1/4 in number 11. 1/3 or 1/4? Is it normal or crazy fraction? It's crazy. Yes, we have the same numerator. So it's a crazy fraction. Yes, excellent. Great, Noor, Mutaila, Hamza, excellent. So 1/3 is bigger. 2 over 3 and 1 over 3. Is it crazy or normal? Huh? It's crazy or normal? It's normal fraction. It's normal fraction. So the big is big. So 2 over 3 is bigger than 1 over 3. Excellent, my dears. Now let's start adding and subtracting fraction. Excellent, ya Farida. Great. Please now stop writing in the chat and focus with me. Here, in adding and subtracting fractions, we have our magical rule here, which will let me solve any question. First, we must know that we will not add or subtract any fractions except normal fractions only. So the fractions must be normal. Must be normal fractions. We can't add crazy fraction in this year. It will be in the next year, inshallah. Okay? So only normal fraction, I can add them and subtract them. First, we put the numerators as it is. We put the numerators as it is. We put denominators as it is and add or subtract numerators, like our example here. 2 over 7 plus 4 over 7. 2 over 7 plus 4 over 7. I will put the denominator as it is. It will be 7. And denominators, I will add them. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Easy? Okay. The next one, 4 over 7 minus 3 over 7. Okay, 4 over 7 minus 3 over 7. I will put 7 as it is in denominator, okay? And I will subtract numerators. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So the result will be 1 over 7. Is it easy now? Is it clear? Huh? Yes, okay. Okay, excellent, my dears. Let's start practicing. Now, our book, page 99, lesson 88. Okay, here I have a model. It's a chocolate bar. I have here 2 colored parts and the total parts are 4. Let's write our fraction. We know that the colored part will be on the top as a numerator and the total parts will be as a denominator. The colored parts are what? 2. So we will put 2 here as numerator and the total parts 4. So this fraction will be 2 over 4. The next one, we have here colored part 1 and the total parts 4. So I will write 1 over 4 or 1/4. Okay, now I want to add the 2 fractions. These 2 fractions, I want to add them. So I will put 2 plus this 1. So the total will be 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equals, I will put 4 as it is. I will put 4 as it is. Then I will add the numerators. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So it's a 3 over 4. Okay? 3 over 4. Don't write 3 only. We must write the total fraction, 3 over 4. Here we will start solving. 3 over 8 plus 2 over 8. It's very easy. We will put 8 as it is and solve and add numerators. 3 plus 2 equals. I'll let you solve, but not now. Okay, by the end of the session, I'll give you chances to answer. Okay, just focus with me now. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So I will put 8 as it is. It will be 5 over 8. Number 2, 1 over 6 plus 3 over 6. I will put 6 as it is and add 3 plus 1. So it will be 4 over 6. Okay, the next one, 1 over 2. or half plus half. I will put here, we have the same denominator, so I will put 2 as it is and add 1 plus 1 equals 2. What you can't understand, my dear? What you can't understand? Here we are adding, my dear, we are adding. We are adding. So we put the denominator as it is. Focus with me, please. We put the denominator as it is. Here the denominator is what? 2. And here 2. So I will write denominator 2. And I will add the numerators. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Wait, my dears, I will not give you chances to answer now, okay? By the end of the session, I'll give you a chance to answer. Okay, my dear? Okay, focus with me. I'll choose some of you to answer, but not now, by the end of the session. Focus with me. 1 over 3 and 1 over 3. I have the same denominator, so I will put 3 and add 1 plus 1 equals 2. Here in the previous one, we have 2 over 2 equals what we said before. The whole one equals any number over itself. So 2 over 2 equals 1 whole. Okay, now in question 5, 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. I have here the same denominators as we said. Okay, so we will put 4 and add 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, and we will put 4 as it is, okay? Now, let's focus together on the next lesson 89. Here, I have a student answered a question, and I want to know his answer is correct or wrong. 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 equals 4 over 12. Is it right? Is it right? No. Excellent. Yes. It's not right. Okay, what did the student do right? He added the numerators. He added the numerators. Okay, but can we add denominators? Can we add denominators? Can we say 6 plus 6 equals 12 and write 12 here? No. Yes. Excellent, Tayla, Saja, time. Excellent, great. So the something he did wrong, that he added denominators. It's not right. He shouldn't add denominators. So the answer should be, we will put 6 as it is and add 3 plus 1. So it will be 4 over 6. Here, yes, here we have some problems on, some questions on subtraction. 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. What should we do? I will solve the first one. Okay. I will put denominators as it is. So it will be 4. And in numerators, I will subtract the numerators. 2 minus 1 equals what? 1 over 4. 1 over 4. Yes. Number 2, I have here 8 as denominators. So I will put 8 as it is. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. So the result will be 2 over 8. 2 over 8. Number 3, 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Okay, 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3. We have here the same denominators. So we will put 3 and subtract 3 minus 1 equals what? 2 over 3. Here, 7 over 8 minus 3 over 8. I will put 8 as it is. And 7 minus 3 equals 4. Is it easy, dears? Is it clear for you? Okay. Turn the page. We have in page 105, we have question 5. Love you, item. Excellent, my dear. Okay, we should subtract here. I will revise again. Please focus with me. Okay, please focus with me. When we subtract or add, we must have the same denominators. Okay? Thank you, Nataila. Happy Ramadan for you. So I have here 12 as a denominator. 12 as a denominator. So I will put 12 as it is. And I will subtract only numerators. I will subtract 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Okay? Here. Number 6, I have 2 as denominator. So I will put it as it is. So, excellent, ya Loreen. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So it will be 1 over 2. Okay? Here, I'll give you a question to solve. 6 over 8 minus 3 over 8. 6 over 8 minus 3 over 8. We have here 8 as denominator. So I will put 8 as it is. And the 6 minus 3 will be 3. Excellent, my dears. Excellent, yes, Najah. Great, my dears. Great, Loreen. Yeah, Ali. Excellent, yeah, Ali. Okay. Here, reflect on your learning. Explain the rules of adding and subtracting. First, we know that we must add or subtract normal fractions only in this year, okay? So, if we want to add or subtract, we put denominators as it is and add numerators if it's addition. And in subtraction, we put denominators as it is and subtract numerators, okay? You can copy it to your book, but not now, okay? When I record the session and I upload for you the recorded session, you can copy it to your book. Okay, dears? Now we will start solving some exercise in the sheet, okay? Some questions in our sheet. Okay. Okay, let's start in addition. I'll solve 2 questions and I'll give you a chance to answer. Okay, my dears? Here, in number 2, 3 over 10 plus 4 over 10. I have here 10 as denominator, so I will put it as it is. Then I will add 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. So it's 7 over 10. Number 3, 8 over 15 plus 2 over 15. 8 over 15 plus 2 over 15. So I will put 15 as it is. And our steps here, keep denominator as it is. And add numerators. So I will put 15 as it is. And add 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, who can answer with me? Uh, okay, Sameh. I don't know your name. Your name here is Sameh. Can you answer with me? Hello, can you answer with me?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Shaz.
Hi, ya Shaza, ازيك? How are you? Okay, let's solve together, my dear. Number 4. I have 5 over 7 plus 2 over 7. What should I do?
7 over
Huh? I
put 7
put 7 in denominator or numerator, my dears, first?
denominator.
Denominator, yes. And then I will add numerators. So 5 plus 2 equals
7
7. So it will be 7 over 7. 7 over 7 equals what, ya Shaza? Huh? 7 over 7. We said any number over itself. 7 over 7.
1.
Yeah, excellent. So it will be 1 whole. Excellent, my dears. Thank you, my dear. Okay, the next one. Mahmoud, can you answer with me? Can you answer with me, Mahmoud?
Hello? Hello?
Hello, my dear.
Hello, Miss Ragda. How are you?
How are you, my dear? You are Osama, right?
Right.
Okay, yeah, Osama. Okay, 1 over 19 plus 9 over 19, huh?
The denominator is
Hmm?
19.
Yes, and
The
the numerator
9 1 plus 9 equal 10.
equals 10.
10
Huh?
10 over 19.
Excellent, my dear. Excellent. So it will be 10 over 19. Thank you, my dear.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye, my dear. Okay. Yasin Al-Arabi, can you answer with me?
Okay.
Hello.
Uh,
2 over 6 plus 1 over 6. Huh?
2, 2 plus 1, 3, and the denominator, keep it.
Yes. So the total will be
3 over 6.
3 over 6. Thank you, my dear. Excellent, Yasin. Great. Excellent, my dear. Okay. Now I will solve the number 11. I will solve number 11 because it has an idea. We have the same in number 10. If we have one whole plus 4 over 5. 1 whole plus 4 over 5. This 1 whole needs to be normal fraction as its neighbor, okay? So the normal fraction here, its denominator is what? 5. So the 1 will be 5 over 5. The same here in number 11, we have 6 over 11 plus 1. 6 over 11 plus 1. This whole 1 or 1 whole needs to be normal fraction like this. So it will be 11 over 11. So 6 over 11 plus 11 over 11. I will put 11 as it is, and the 6 plus 11 will be 17. Okay? Okay. Wait, my dears, I wanted to choose all of you, but the time is flying. I'm trying to solve as much as I can. Okay, please focus with me. In number 2, I will solve one and I will choose another one to solve. What, ya Khadija? I think it's normal for all. Okay. Focus with me, please. Okay. Okay. Focus with me, please. 10 over 12 minus 6 over 12. I will put 12 as it is, and 10 minus 6 equals 4. Now I will choose okay. Ali Ahmed. Ali Ahmed, can you answer?
Yes.
Okay, my dear. Number 3, 15 over 20 minus 5 over 20. Huh? I will put
10.
what in denominator?
20.
20, excellent. And 15 minus 5 will be?
10.
10, excellent. So the total will be 10 over 20. And neglect this, neglect these dots and the fraction, okay? Thank you, my dear. Number 4, Salma. Salma, can you answer with me? Huh? Salma. Okay. Salma.
Miss.
Okay, can you answer with me?
I want you. Can I ask us a question?
Okay, what's your question?
Can you repeat this again?
Repeat what, my dear?
Repeat this. Number 3.
Number 3, okay, yes, Salma. I have here, ya Salma, I have here 20 as denominator. So I will put 20 as it is, okay? Then I will subtract the numerator. 15 minus 5 equals 10. If you don't know how to subtract, ya Salma, I will count from small to big. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I will have 10. So I will put 10 over 20. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, my dear. Okay. Adam, can you answer with me?
Yes.
Okay, number 4. 6 over 8 minus 4 over 8.
Equal to over 8.
Yes, I will put 8 as it is and subtract 6 minus 4, 2 over 8. Great, my dear. Thank you. Okay. Ziad, can you answer with me, Ziad?
Yes, miss.
Okay, my dear. I have here 1 minus 4 over 7. This one wants to be a normal fraction like it. So I will put what instead of this one?
I will put 7 over 7.
Excellent.
Minus 4 over 7 equal 3 over 7.
Wow, excellent boy. Excellent. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Excellent. Okay, Hamza. Hamza, can you answer with me?
Yes.
Yalla ya Hamza. Number 7. 4 over 6 minus 3 over 6.
1 over 6.
Yes, I will put 6 as it is, and 4 minus 3 will be 1. So 1 over 6. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Love you, Jana, Jasmine. Thank you for your attendance. Okay, hope you enjoyed our session. Inshallah, we will continue in the next Monday, inshallah. Thank you.